So I'm getting ready to check the radiator fluid reservoir in my 2006 Ford Explorer. So this video will show you how to check the radiator fluid level in the reservoir on your 06 to 2010 Ford Explorer. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video. So to check the level of the engine coolant, the radiator reservoir is in the front of the truck, right next to the radiator, and it's a translucent color. It's made out of plastic, so you can kind of see the fluid level, and you can see it's like right about there on mine. So there's a maximum hot mark. So when the engine is hot, the fluid level should be no greater than this line right here. It says right on the side of it, kind of on the passenger side, full hot. So I'm right about down here, and I've looked and looked and looked. It doesn't seem to be that I can see like a minimum mark. Sometimes on some vehicles there is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add like a little bit to it and bring the level up. I'm not going to bring it up all the way to full hot because the truck is cold right now. So I'm going to bring it up a tad, and then next time I take the truck out, when I pull into the driveway, I'll pop the hood and check the fluid level to see if it's around there. And if it isn't, I'll add a little bit more until it's about at that mark. So to add some radiator fluid in and to top it off, that's all you need to do is to pull off the cover and get yourself a funnel. Make sure you have a clean funnel. Wipe the inside out with a rag. I've already done it. Just to make sure there's no dirt or debris that's going to get in there. Then you can grab some antifreeze from any pot store. I always use, the 50-50 mix. And just watch the coolant level and put a little antifreeze in. And I'm going to stop right about there because, like I said, the truck is cold right now, and I want to make sure that I'm not going to be over that when it is hot. So I'll double check this next time I take the truck out and make sure I'm around that full hot mark. So when you're done topping off the radiator overflow tank, just push the cap back into place and you should be good. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.